Welcome back. I found this book that we were about to read at the library last year. So adorable, I bought it myself. It is 20 Big Trucks in the Middle of Christmas. Here we go. 20 Big Trucks in the Middle of Christmas by Mark Lee, illustrated by Kurt Cyrus. One donut truck on a cold winter day drives into town and parks and stays. It's Christmas time, so don't be late. We watch and shiver as we wait. Snow in the mountains, ice on the roads. We'll need big trucks to bring big loads. A snowplow and sander are trucks 2 and 3. And truck number 4 brings our evergreen tree. Truck 5 is a digger with a big earth drill that cuts a hole into the ground. 6 is a crane that lifts our tree high and ever so carefully brings it down. Honk, honk! Make way for truck 7, 8, 9 with silver flakes and golden bells and strings of light that shine. Our Christmas tree is green and tall. String the lights, just please don't fall. A hook and ladder, but there's no fire. Truck 10 helps them reach much higher. We count each truck and say their names. Boom Truck 11 has a basket crane. A stake truck carries a holiday band, 3 elves, and a dancing snowman. "13, 14, 15 bring a Christmas village built for fun. 16 pulls a generator, switch it on to make things run. The choir van broke down, won't go, but tow truck 17 saves the show. A flatbed carries Santa's sleigh. All 18 trucks, please go this way. Count kids and dads and babies and mamas, and truck 19 with Christmas llamas. Now raise the star, up, up, then down, and with a crash it hits the ground. No star to top our Christmas tree? Will they listen? Can they see? Stop, look, hear our plan. Could we? Should we? Yes, we can. What are they gonna do? The donut is wrapped with red and green lights. The power clicks on and our tree glows bright. One last truck, no time to pause. A pickup truck brings Santa Claus. Now friends and families sing and witness 20 big trucks in the middle of Christmas. Have a donut, please. Hot chocolate, too. Merry Christmas to mamas and llamas and you. The end.